Nice, tira mo guys. Oh, you forgot. Ang ganda talaga dito guys. See? Wala, ang dami dito motorboat. Okay, enjoy sila. Oh, there's a lot of motorboat. See, wow! I love the view. Diba? Wow, I love it. I love it. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda lang ng view. Tapos dito sa kabila, oh. Marami dito nagpipiknik during the weekend. Ganda talaga guys. Mas may mga CR dito. Ano siya? Tingnan nyo. Ganda.
I think they just loaded up.
Yeah.
Just pulled it out of the water.
Ang ganda. Pero pagdating ng winter, bakit na dito? Wala na pupunta rito. Kasi summer. Kasi winter. Ganda dito guys. Wow. Parang probinsya lang. See? It's look like in the province. But look at here. There's a lot of people over there. Oh my god. Yeah, I will upload on my YouTube.
Lots of pictures of the geese.
Yeah.